Clayton, what did you buy?
Lakers.
Lakers.
Lakers merch? Why you ask?
Lakers merch.
Yeah.
Is it one for Kobe?
Stop.
Sorry, Kobe Bryant. No, I need more respect for Kobe. Kobe, I grew up watching you. I grew up watching you and Shaq. Man, those were the days. Oh, God. All right, well, Avengers assemble.
Shut up.
What was that?
Look what they came with.
What?
Aesthetic. KW coilovers. Stickers. Wow. You know what? I think it was worth the purchase. This is, I guess I'd install it. It came with like 3, not 2, but 3 stickers.
You could be like everyone else and just put it under your hood.
What underneath my hood? Oh.
The stickers? Yeah.
The stickers?
I don't like putting stickers on my cars. Yeah.
Anti-ricer.
Yeah.
Look, we got German.
Well, now that I adjusted one, I guess I can show you guys how to adjust the other one. So KW says on their instructions, the minimum is 5 millimeters and the highest point is 40 millimeters. We don't know how much adjustment that's going to give us when we install them, so we're just going to go with half. I want to say about 25 millimeters. We don't have something to measure millimeters with, but we converted millimeters, so that will 20 millimeters is 2.5 centimeters. So
Math boys.
not really, I just looked it up online.
You're joking? Oh my goodness. Do you not know how to convert centimeters to millimeters?
Dude, that's why I took math at the end of my college life, dude. I was so stupid at math.
No need to roast yourself. So where'd you find that in the in your bathroom?
Yeah, oh my god. Anyways, oh, okay, Clayton.
Why is it marked at 2.5 centimeters?
Oh man, he got me. And then since we don't have the actual tool to lock this,
I think that is the actual tool.
I think
both.
well, this is right here for this.
That's a rebound.
And we're gonna use this right here to lock the bottom. I don't know what they call this. I guess it's just
Mounting point?
No.
I don't know.
Okay, I think that's tight enough. And that will lock the bottom. I think they call them perches. I'm not sure. God,
Yeah, I think they are.
I'm gonna get butchered so bad in the comment section.
Also, shout out to Orange Joe for the awesome deal for the coilovers.
Yes. Okay, so
Brand new.
yeah, my ass brand new.
Ooh.
Whoops, sorry. I got be family friendly now. So in the videos online, or in the what do you call them? The pictures online, you see the guys have like they have like a, I don't know if it's a rubber ring, but if these make noise when you're driving it, I think you're gonna need that rubber ring that goes right here.
I mean, I probably could buy any O-ring from
'Cause
something.
If you kind of think about it, this is
Metal.
metal on aluminum. I don't know, man. They might make noise, and if they do, I think you're gonna need to figure out where to get that rubber piece at or something.
Probably could find something.
Yeah, you're gonna need to figure that out, because oh god, of course while I'm getting recorded. And then so it's a 22 mil, but I think 22 millimeter for the top. Wait, what the hell? Am I tripping? How did the other one fit?
What do you mean how the other one fit? That's it, just like that. Is it too big?
Yeah, it's too big. I'm not kidding, look. It's too big, but on that one it works. I kid you not. I'm not tripping, right?
You might be tripping. What the hell? Oh, grab the other one.
Oh, crap. Let me see.
What the hell?
Exactly.
Oh my god.
I don't know, man. Hey, let me see. Can we force it in?
What type of backyard mechanic stuff?
What the hell? Alright, stop recording.
What type of backyard mechanic stuff are you doing?
I don't know, man. So we were.
My God.
So this was, I don't know. I guess this maybe chipped during shipping, or it kinked it some way. So what I ended up using was my socket. Literally just shoved it in there. Just went to town with it, but it was enough to make the clearance.
That's my socket.
So that will give us enough space to put this on. You know what? I think you really are gonna need that support cushion thing.
Should we probably go buy one before we install it?
Where are we gonna buy it?
They sell O-ring sets like O'Reilly's and stuff like that.
You know, if it does make the noise, I guess you could come back and when we have the engine out.
Oh yeah, next week. Yeah.
Yeah, I figured like if it does make the noise.
I mean, I know they have. I think they have them on the website, but I don't want to order anything because literally I ordered the rebound extensions back in beginning April, and they said they're getting here late June, and I'm like, what the hell? But don't worry, I got my sway bar end links that took 2 days to get here.
All right, well, so on KW's instructions it says not to use an impact, but I don't know how many YouTube videos that I see that said to use an impact.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm just gonna use an impact because that's how I install shocks. That's what I use. So I don't like using the old school method where people use vice grips and like a towel, and they will literally put vice grips and leave marks on the piston or the rod, which is not good because every time you get those crunchy bite marks, when it goes back in here, you're just gonna ruin the seal and these are gonna leak.
Oh, bad.
So you don't want to do that. So what I do is I just hold it with my hand and just go to town with it, you know, just.
Big boy coilovers, but he's using a
It's about the same threads as the other one, so I think these are good now. So yeah, so they're already adjusted 25 millimeter, and you know they feel good, I guess.
We'll highlight the quality of them.
Yeah, let's throw these on and see what's up. All right, stop. Clayton,
So
I see you don't have that Harbor Freight jack stand.
yeah, that's right. Duralast.
You actually got quality there. Apparently the Harbor Freight ones are crap.
Yeah.
Got recalled, man.
Autos on specials.
Autos on specials, huh? How much do those cost you? How much do those cost you?
I think 28 for both.
VatoZone. Yeah, I forgot. It's called VatoZone, not AutoZone. All right, do you clear? Or keep going up, or what's up? Idiot, go through this side. Is it good? Just make sure it's on the pinch.
Go.
All right.
Pull that. Is it pulled out?
VVTI. But he has VVTLI. What's up with that?
It was a GT first. It was a 1ZZ.
You know, if it's one question I get asked a lot is, hey bro, how do I 2ZZ swap my GT? I always refer them to you.
I'm gonna be like, so the engine and
Got the tent pitched out because it was hecka sunny today. Wow. You're loosening it, right?
yes,
It's on 3, right?
it's on 2.
Well, it doesn't matter if you're taking them off. Just put it on 3. It's only when you put it back on.
We're okay, Raggy.
Fucking queer sack. Sorry, I can't
Family.
see it. I can't say that, man. I'm too used to saying stuff like that. I'm sorry, YouTubers. I'm sorry. I know I got a couple of families watching the channel.
Families, you really?
Well, people, dude, I get comments every now and then, hey, we appreciate the content and stuff. I'm like, okay, I mean, it's just me pulling out my phone and recording.
And some stupid kid that's like, I don't know what I'm doing.
Which is him.
Oh,
Right
also, Center cap's missing on the back over there.
They're
So-
fake.
They're not fake.
They're fake.
You're fake.
I'm fake after I'm right here helping you adjust your KWs that I don't even know how to.
Shut up. I'm okay, Dave.
Dang it, Bobbit. I thought I told you to grab the 17 millimeter. Hurry up. Oh boy. Is it even a 17? Doesn't even look like it's gonna fit. What size is that?
Not an 18, is it?
What do you have? What is it that you have?
17.
Oh my god. Okay, well, do I even have something? Do I even have an 18?
Yeah.
What is it?
An 18?
An 18? I guess. It's a camera bolt. He's gonna send it with the impact. Send it, he said. Oh god.
I don't like that.
What speed is it on?
3.
That is not. Does that? Why is that? Is that so cross-threaded, man? Ew, we heard that.
Oh.
Ew. What happened, Clayton?
That.
You got the bolts out?
Yeah, but one of them's cross-threaded because someone installed
No, I
them
don't.
wrong.
I don't think it's cross-threaded. I think because when we were installing the focus, look at that. When we were installing it, the camera bolt, it kind of got these flat spots. We're gonna see if it goes back in. Hopefully it does because he low-key needs the camber because he's running spacers, as you can see. But yeah, so take off the top hat nuts now. Are we gonna be using other end links, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
KW, baby.
My name is Clayton. I swear I'm all that with my nice looking Celica, but it's misfiring as hell.
Hey, wait just another week and
Is that so? Does that mean it's new content for the channel?
I mean, maybe. Perhaps.
Perhaps. Get out of here. Alright, take it out. What is that?
Rice lands.
Rice lads.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty. I wonder why. All right, take it out. Put the. Actually, compare the length. Go bring the other one. Compare the length to them. See how much. Like, see how much of a difference it is.
Doesn't matter which one I grab, right?
You have to grab the one with the sway bar and link on the right side if you are facing it from the front.
Right side?
Right side. No, yeah, that one. That one. So. Put it over here. Put it over here. Put it over here on this side.
Lakers. Raptors.
Fuck. What do you think? Should we put them in like that and see what happens?
Yeah. I think they look good.
I think they're gonna be a little bit too tall, or maybe it's just because of like it has a more rebound to it, I guess.
Probably because they're better.
Because you're pretty much bottomed out on these, and God. All right, throw it on, see what happens. I mean,
Okay.
throw it on, see what happens. If anything, we could lower it.
True that. So yeah, it's on the right side. Can you?
No, I can't. I'm sorry.
Oh my God, you suck as a person.
You got it, man. You're a big boy. Look at that. You don't even need my help. I'm just here coaching and cheerleading.
Sebastian the cheerleader.
By the way, people, I know people always ask for my tools. This Milwaukee gun, what is it? It's the. It just says.
over here.
Wait, what?
Runs
No,
the
that's the battery. That's the battery, but it's the 3/8 ratchet. I don't think there's a part number to it. But I always get asked in the comments, like, what kind of tool it is. This Milwaukee gun, ratchet, cordless ratchet, has been so good. Like,
dude, watch this. This thing is a lifesaver.
Like, I love that tool. I got it off eBay for $160 with 2 batteries and a carrying case and a charger. Yep.
I don't mind my nasty hands, but...
You're good, just as long as you don't touch the car. All right, don't break it, man. Jeez, over torqued and shit. What were you doing right there? Disapproval. What are you disapproving of?
No, I'm just tired. I mean, I could do this regular, but I mean, we've already done a project today, dropping a...
He got it on already, guys.
It wasn't that bad.
It's not bad, it's just...
Oh, I gotta take these off.
We had to adjust this right here for the... What? Why do you gotta take them off?
JDM. That's what strip bar.
Oh, we'll do that later. We could do that once the car is down.
Sure.
All right, so that's one side. So let's go do the other side. Clayton, what happened? How many fingers is that?
About 3.
Holy crap! I guess we gotta go down more. So, what do you want to say?
10, 15.
Let's do 10. I think that's.
10 would be what, that?
Okay, let's try 10. Let's try 10. Actually, I think we should just do the 5, dude.
No. Wait. Where's your ruler? Where's your dick ruler?
Over there, behind my bumper. What do you think? How many millimeters is that? I think we should just go down.
It's at 25, right?
Yeah, it's at 25. So let's just go down.
So if I were to sit at
Let's just go down to 5.
5 would be like.
So 20. So 20.
We're at 20.
So you would want to go down 20. Well, it's nighttime, and there's Clayton boy getting blinded by the very strong light I have. This is a Husky light, people. So in case you're wondering, we got the bolts already out, or the nuts, I should say, from the rice lands. We got one rice land out over there with the KW, and I got mosquitoes all over me because they want to suck out my blood.
You know what else you want to suck on?
This can't say it. Okay, so he's gonna take off this side. Let me just set this up because gotta take it out the wheel.
Do you think we could fit the strut? Do you think we should? Do you think we can fit the...
I'm so glad I got that on video.
Oh my god!
He's like,
you're an asshole. I can't even speak.
He's like, that was beautiful. That was so beautiful. I'm glad I was recording.
Yeah, okay. Do you think we can fit the strut bar in the front, or is my battery too...
We could try. That's all I can say.
I mean, it's easy. I mean, you can adjust it.
Take off? Yes. All right. Take off your rice land.
You guys don't know about good coolers.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Kids, don't do this at home. This is not the way to do it, but I have found this method to be so much easier to do for pulling out the rears. I understand, Clayton. I understand. But there's not enough space down here to take it out. Now there is. Piece of crap.
I have a request. If anyone can find me like information on ET4
What?
calipers conversion, 6th gen caliper conversions on the 7th gen Celica, let me know.
Trash. Trash. Okay, well, And there are the rice lands. We're gonna install the KWs. Let me go grab them so you don't get out of the car.
Wait, no, we're not. Hi, bars.
Oh, right. What are you doing, Meat?
What'd you call me?
What are you doing?
Installing C1 JDM as hell. Sway bars.
What did you have to do to get to that?
Remove the exhaust from the hangers and the 2 bolts, and then drop the 4 bolts for the heat shield, and now it's the 2 brackets.
Sounds like fun. Yep, that looks like fun, all right. Glad I'm not down there.
Shut up. Focus. Perfect.
All right, so this is the rear. We have made a decision to. Jeez. We have made a decision to adjust it. We said 3 centimeters.
Yeah, because on the instructions it said.
It said the maximum was 45, and then the lowest was 10. I think it said.
Yeah.
So we're gonna set it at
30 millimeters. So 3 centimeters.
Yes, 3 centimeters. And now we.
Oh, get the.
What was that? Was it flying?
It was a cockroach. Yeah.
It was flying.
Oh my God! This summertime. What the hell?
All right, let's finish. Come on. So we have the old top hat.
Yeah.
Old one. He did end up buying new rubber bushings for the inside and the outside. So this is new hardware right here.
I think it was like $30 on eBay. That's a pretty good price.
You don't want to run old rubber because it tends to crack and make noises and just
corrode and all that bad.
Whatever. It's just bullshit. So then we need this disc. That's the one that goes on top, and then the nut. So we probably won't be able to do this.
Ah! So many bugs, man.
So just stop recording and just do this.
I got you.
So when you install your top hat, the 19 millimeter bolt, I highly recommend you use an impact. I've been getting a lot of comments of what impact is this. This is a DeWalt DC F899. It has 3 speeds adjustment. It has a little flashlight in the front, and it has right here on the battery, it tells you how much power you have. And this, I use this a lot for lug nuts because I was getting tired of using a wrench and wearing myself out. But you use it to torque or I guess tighten the top bolt, because if you use a wrench, you're just gonna keep spinning it and spinning it and spinning it. So that's the proper way to put these on. And we already adjusted the rebound. You want to go all the way to the left and then go 10 clicks to the right with your little adjustment tool. We already did that because Clayton messed up recording. And I'm pretty much repeating myself twice right now.
I'm sorry.
But yes, it's 11:30 at night. We need to finish.
Yeah, because I'm tired. I still have to drive. But yeah, I was recommended to do 10 in the rears and then 5 in the front by doing the rebound. So always make sure you set it to the left and then to the right to increase it. Anyways, we're gonna install this.
Oh God, all them rolling down. So much for that. But anyways, KW is installed. Looks really nice. All right, let's go ahead and torque down the bolts and nuts. Well,
Beautiful.
well, I mean, that was just around the block, so. How was it on speed bumps?
Hella good. It was like, you know what I mean?
All right, people. Well, this is it. KW install, and we probably need to adjust it some more because low-key SUV status. I feel like if you drop it like a little bit more rotations, it'll be good.
Yeah, it feels good. I like this. I feel like the sway bar, weirdly enough, if that makes any sense. So I like took that corner hella hard onto the other street.
Don't fuck up. Go home, kid.
Shut up.
Text me when you get home.
Yeah, adios, amigo. Don't have to.
All right.